IoT Trends in 2025. What's next in smart living? Welcome to our channel where we uncover the future of connected living and emerging technologies. In this video, we explore the top Internet of Things trends shaping the way we live in 2025 and beyond. We will highlight 10 major trends that are accelerating adoption, improving lives, and creating new opportunities. If you're passionate about technology and smart living, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Let's dive into the top IoT trends of 2025. 1. Ubiquitous 5G and beyond. 5G networks are near ubiquitous in many urban areas. With ultra-low latency, high throughput, and massive device capacity, 5G is accelerating IoT adoption. Smarter living environments will rely on this foundation to connect everything from home devices to public infrastructure. 2. Edge AI for faster and smarter automation. AI is moving to the edge of networks to process data locally. In 2025, expect more intelligent appliances and security systems that learn and adapt without sending your data offsite. 3. Matter, Thread, and Protocol unification. Matter and Thread protocols are standardizing smart home interoperability. Devices from different manufacturers can now work together seamlessly. The result is a more cohesive, secure, and intuitive smart living experience. 4. Energy management, sustainability, and grid integration. Smart energy devices are connecting to utility grids and renewable sources. Some systems will even trade energy locally using peer-to-peer microgrid platforms. Smarter living now includes greener living. 5. Health and Wellness IoT explosion. Wearable devices, sleep monitors, home ECG tools, and health sensors are proliferating. Edge AI can detect health issues like irregular heart rate or sleep apnea in real time. Smart living in 2025 places health insight at your fingertips. 6. Ambient Intelligence and Context Awareness. IoT systems are becoming more intuitive through activity and context awareness. Ambient AI removes the need for manual control and enhances comfort in unseen yet meaningful ways. 7. Gen AI and chat intelligence in smart devices. Generative AI capabilities are integrating into smart home systems. Instead of rigid command and response, devices understand natural language and conversational context. Smart living in 2025 means more natural, intelligent conversations with your devices. 8. Privacy by design and data sovereignty. As devices collect personal and biometric data, privacy concerns rise. Regulations and user demands push manufacturers toward privacy by design and edge-first processing. Protecting your privacy is part of smarter living. 9. Sustainability in device lifecycles. Eco-responsibility has become a core IoT trend. Devices are now designed for repair, upgradability, and eventual recycling. 10. Digital twins and home simulator spaces. Digital twins replicate your physical home environment in digital twin ecosystems. They also assist maintenance and troubleshooting without entering your home. 11. Multimodal control interfaces. Smart living devices offer voice, touch, gesture, proximity, and visual overlay controls. Novel interfaces reduce friction and make control more intuitive across living and working environments. 12. Robotics, mobility, and smart appliances. Household robots, cleaning drones, robotic vacuums, and delivery robots are growing more capable. 13. Blockchain and IoT identity. Secure wearable IDs and device identities are moving to blockchain and decentralized ledgers. This enables peer-to-peer trust for e-commerce, domain access, and shared resource networks. 14. Data meshes and privacy-preserving analytics. Smart living data no longer travels directly to the cloud. This enables community-level energy planning or resource usage studies without compromising personal privacy. 15. Infrastructure connected homes and city services. Smart home IoT integrates with local infrastructure. Cameras, air quality sensors, and traffic data contribute to municipal platforms. Public service becomes smarter by leveraging your living environment as a smart sensor node. Thank you for exploring the top IoT trends in 2025 and what's next for smart living. We covered foundational technologies, standards, and hundreds of everyday innovations shaping our connected homes and cities. If you found this video insightful, please like the video to support the channel. Subscribe to stay informed on breakthrough content in IoT, AI, and future living. Turn on notifications to never miss an episode. We welcome your thoughts. Leave a comment on which smart living trend you find most compelling and how you see it transforming your home or lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to continuing this journey into the smart world of tomorrow with you in our next video.